Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to make your computer new again or to do a factory reset on your computer. This is how you do it. Just go on your start menu, then click on settings. Once this opens, go on system. After you go on system, scroll down to recovery. You have to select this one, reset PC. Here you can choose to remove everything, all the files in your computer, or you can decide to keep your files in your computer. I would recommend the first option, to keep your files. This will take a bit longer, but it is worth it. And you can either decide to do a cloud download or do a local reinstall. It is much more faster to do a local reinstall, so you can do this one as well. Then after that, click next. After this, you have to review your settings. After you're happy with them, then you can click reset and the process will begin. And you're done.